Hello. On this day, I'm touring with 11 motorcycles. Let's go. It's a story I wrote in my thumbnail. The story's related to exhaust noise. If you're riding a noisy motorcycle, it's just prejudice. All talkative people. Some of you might say it's annoying when asking for directions at nearby restaurants, etc. You might want to ask someone on a noisy motorcycle. I'll be a good partner when I take a break. A person with a loud exhaust noise. Tsubuyaki Shiro. Replacing the silencer. If you've been riding a motorcycle, me too. Be full of freaks.